Good morning, children. Welcome back to another session of JK. So, students, today we will start our next lesson, largest lakes of the world. Now, let us start question answer session. Where are the following largest lakes of the world located? Number 1, Caspian Sea is located in Russia, Iran. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest inland body of water, variously classed as the world's largest lake or a full-fledged sea. As an endorheic basin, it is located between Europe and Asia, east of the Caucasus and west of the broad steppe of Central Asia. The sea has a surface area of 371,000 km square and a volume of 78,200 km cube. It has a salinity of approximately 1.2 percentage, about a third of the salinity of most seawater. It is bounded by Kazakhstan to the northeast, Russia to the northwest, Azerbaijan to the west, Iran to the south, and Turkmenistan to the southeast. Lake Superior is located in USA, Canada. Lake Superior is not only the largest of the Great Lakes, it is the largest body of fresh water on earth. Situated on the northern edge of Wisconsin Lake, Lake Superior extends from the upper peninsula of Michigan north to the Ontario, Canada, and reaches west to the eastern edge of Minnesota. Lake Victoria is located in Africa. Lake Victoria is also called Victoria Nyanza. It is the largest lake in Africa and chief reservoir of the Nile. It is lying mainly in Tanzania and Uganda, but bordering on Kenya. Its area is 26,828 square miles. Among the freshwater lakes of the world, it is exceeded in size only by Lake Superior in North America. Lake Ural is located in Russia. Ural is geographically region located around the Ural Mountains, between the East European and West Siberian plains. It is considered a part of Eurasian steppe, extending approximately from the north to the south, from the Arctic Ocean to the end of Ural River near Ox City. The border between Europe and Asia runs along the eastern side of the Ural Mountains. Ural mostly lies within Russia but also includes a small part of northwestern Kazakhstan. Lake Huron is located in USA, Canada. Lake Huron is the Great Lake that forms Michigan's Mitten State right next to Canada. It also has the longest shoreline of the Great Lakes. It is the second largest by surface area and the third largest by volume of water. This lake is also the fifth largest freshwater lake on the planet. According to Michigan Economic Development Corporation, the lake's surface area is 23,000 square miles and its volume is 850 cubic miles. Lake Michigan is located in USA. Lake Michigan is one of the 5 Great Lakes of North America. It is the second largest of the Great Lakes by volume 180 cubic meter and the third largest by surface area. after Lake Superior and Lake Huron. Lake Tanganyika is located in Africa. Lake Tanganyika is an African Great Lake. It is the second oldest freshwater lake in the world and the second largest by volume and the second deepest in all cases after Lake Baikal in Siberia. It is the world's longest freshwater lake. The lake is shared between four countries: Tanzania, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Burundi, and Zambia. With Tanzania and Democratic Republic of the Congo possessing the majority of the lake. Lake Baikal is located in Russia. It is a reef lake located in southern Siberia, Russia, between Iksan Oblast to the northwest and Buryat Republic to the southwest. Lake Baikal is the largest freshwater lake by volume in the world, containing 20 to 23% of the world's fresh surface water. With 23,615.39 km cube of fresh water contains more than the North America Great Lakes combined. With the maximum depth of 1,642 meter, Baikal is the world's deepest lake. It is considered among the world's clearest and it is considered the world's oldest lake at 25 to 30 million years. It is the seventh largest lake in the world by surface area. Lake Great Bear is located in Canada. It is a lake in the Canadian border forest. It is the largest lake entirely in the Canada, the fourth largest in America and the eighth largest in the world. Lake Great Slave is located in Canada. Great Slave Lake is the second largest lake in the Northeast Territories of Canada, the deepest lake in Northern America at 614 meters and the 10th largest lake in the world. It is 469 km long and 20 to 203 km wide. It covers an area of 27,200 km square in the southern part of territory. Lake Erie is located in USA, Canada. Lake Erie is the fourth largest lake of the five Great Lakes in North America and the 11th largest globally if measured in terms of surface area. It is the southernmost, shallowest and smallest by volume of the Great Lakes and therefore also has the shortest average water residence time. Lake Erie borders Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York and the Canadian province of Ontario. Its shallow warm waters make it is the most productive of the Great Lakes. Lake Winnipeg is located in Canada. Lake Winnipeg is very large, relatively shallow, 24,514 square kilometer lake in North America, in the province of Manitoba, Canada. Its southern end is about 55 kilometers north of the city of Winnipeg. Fun fact: in the Philippines, there is an island called Luzon. On this island, there is a lake called Taal Lake. In this lake is an island called Volcano Island. On this island is a lake called Main Crater Lake. In this lake, there is an island called Volcano Point. Now, student, we will meet our next session. Till then, good day, goodbye.